Creative loop length. So once you have your audio or MIDI looping, try changing its length. This way you'll come up with interesting and evolving patterns. So I have an arpeggio here in our kinetic project template, and I've opened the MIDI part up and we've got it looping over 4 bars. So I'm going to play the MIDI and you'll hear the sound in action. And as I'm playing it, I'm going to adjust the length of the loop, and you'll hear some interesting patterns emerge. That was a quick tip on loop length. So we've changed the length of our MIDI loop and adjusted it, and it's created evolving and interesting new patterns. So we've done this with an arpeggio. What other sounds or instruments could you use this technique on? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.